Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So today I'll be cooking fried chicken and mashed potato. Also I'll be baking a chocolate cake. So please watch, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on to be notified when I upload another video. So let's go. First thing I'll be doing is baking the cake. I'll be using the cake mix, butter, milk, egg, and some sugar. I washed up a little bit before I started cooking because I really needed a clean environment to do whatever I'm doing right now. So I start off with the cake mix, putting the cake mix in a bowl, just stirring it around for a little. Also I added some water. Basically I added 1 cup of water and stirred it around, stir it, and then I added some milk, some butter, and also some sugar. I also greased my pan and added it to the oven for 2 to 3 minutes just to preheat the pan, and then I went ahead and pour the mixture in the baking pan. As my garbage bin was overflowing, so let's take out the garbage with me. So guys, I also will be cooking some mashed potatoes, and I want to try fried chicken. I never tried cooking fried chicken before. Yeah, weird, but it's true. So I have these big ass potatoes, Irish potato, that I am going to boil. I'm gonna peel them and boil them down with a little bit of salt, and then when they are soft, I'm going to crush them, put milk, cream, heavy cream, butter, salt, and some seasonings on it, and then I'm put it in the oven for a little while, and then I'm gonna fry some chicken. So come with me on this journey of learning to cook. are revealing that I am naturally a chef. Boop chop. Guys, this while down, we just take a shower a while ago and come back. So this definitely cook already. This definitely ready for come out. Yeah, so it's a cut knife. I'm just gonna transfer it into this and crush it out and everything like this, and then I'm start my process. The yellow smell like she a burn. Wait, the yellow smell like the same. She is burning. Let me taste it. The lady ready, you know. The lady is ready. Let Lord God, let me turn it off. Let me take it out. The lady burn a little bit, you know. She burn a little bit. To me like bathroom, you know. I'm not telling you no like. The lady burn a little bit. You see the little surface burn. But I hope it, you know, hope it angled good. Guys, I saw cooking the frustrating sometimes. No sir, right this point I'm frustrated so till. So me I tried to blasted something and everything was going wrong. You know what I should have do? Put some egg in it too. No. Should I put some egg in it too? Cause the egg, when I something they will bring it off, you know. Egg bring off them something here. Like when I feel egg I gotta take too I gotta take long for boy. Jesus Christ. Oh God, don't have burn me and guys, we now wanna put it in the other container. I'm just gonna mix it in the pot.
So I added some salted butter. The butter was just melting away in the mashed potatoes. It was just so beautiful. I couldn't wait to try it. Then I added some heavy cream. I did not add a lot, but the impact of the heavy cream was just tremendous because when I added the heavy cream, it just soaked in the potatoes. And I was like, did I add too much? And then I added some black pepper to give it some you know, some taste, some seasoning. I was seasoning it up. Added some salt because I don't like fresh food.
Okay, do a little taste test. One more spicy. Nice guys. Yo, I'm telling you some a chef, you know. I don't believe me. That's why I don't rate no style, you know. I'm telling you some a chef. I don't believe me. Don't believe me. I feel like it's missing one thing though. I wonder why it's missing, but something missing. Trying to defrost the chicken. This is everything that I will add for the fried chicken. Going to be dipping it in some seasoned flour. Fry it up. So guys, let's go. Let's go. See, for the power if you don't cook. Alright, I'm turn on the fire for this here. So 3 chicken I cook this time. Cause last time I cooked 2, I did love it so much where I had to, you know, wish that I had cooked more. I'm not see my head, sorry. A time for feature the cooking. So guys, I'm going to pre-season it. Even though I have seasoning in the flour already, I'm going to still season it. Black pepper, mixy, black pepper. salt. I don't know if you know some salt on. Salt. A little bit too much, man. A little bit too much. So I don't realize I'm having gloves is because I like use my hand do this because after I smell like cooked food. Even though smelling like cooked food is not a bad thing. Ooh, my garlic can run. It's not a bad thing, but yeah. So I'm gonna use the Maggi season up all purpose. That's what I basically done the Maggi season up all purpose upon this. Because somebody want fried chicken. I'll take this in the way. So guys, let's go and listen to some music while I finish cook. Yeah. Rub up, rub up. While it is frying, I am going to put this in the fridge for for further use. Because we can't just dash away with the flour there. So if more, I say seasoned flour, you know. So tomorrow we can cook. Well, the other day, not really tomorrow, but another day we can do fritters or maybe fry more chicken with it. With this, I'm going to make gravy with it and my tomato sauce. Don't watch me here, guys. It's a rough day. Guys, this is the first clip. Mascara, bang, what are you beautifully? What beautiful, sir? Sun shining. Nice, man, out the door, nice. Watch my Betsy out the door. Watch my Betsy. I'll put it down. Now this is some gravy and everything. So let's go. Let's drop the meat in the sauce. Help while I put on a little tea here. I'm gonna feel 200. But I soon turn the camera. Feel 100%. Like, I don't know, my stomach start to hurt me. So I'm gonna deal with my deal with and come back and do one taste test and sign it, guys, out. Dum 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 dum. So guys, this is my food. Mashed potato with fried chicken cooked down in some nice gravy sauce and little tea because I wasn't feeling too good, but this is nice. Hey my lovelies, taste test time. I'm gonna can't see what one. Mashed potato alone. Mashed potato nice. I know what make it so nice because I put the cream, the heavy cream in it. I can taste the heavy cream. I don't know if I did not use a lot of the heavy cream, but I can taste it in it. The heavy cream have a lot of impact on this. So I'm gonna try it with some of the gravy. That nice. Me not lie. But go on with the mashed potato. I remember, guys, I'm not telling a lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. If it don't taste good or it don't taste like how I want if it tastes, I'm gonna tell you. I pray upon the something there, you know. Upon the cake, you know. But I know cake time, but piece of chicken with some mashed potato. I can taste the seasoning in the chicken. But I'm not lying. I wish the pepper, wish I had a hotter pepper to put in it because it would have slapped it in, but I'm not lying. The chicken and the gravy need more spice for me because I like spice. I'm not lying. Tastes good. You can't tell me somebody's not a chef. I'm born for this. Born for this, man. Nice, smooth. Look there. Smooth and nice. You just calm. Suppose me to put a boiled egg in it. Suppose me to put a boiled egg in this. Out of space, my gone. Zudum. I need to start being better in but food is my love language. Alongside with money. But we're talking about food right now. This is really good. I can't wait to taste the cake for you and tell you the honest review on the cake because it is burnt. Like the top part I burn. Like me does wake up myself with the hot tea. Anyways, I was in the bathroom, taking a long time in the bathroom because I don't know, I just have to take a good time in the bathroom. I can't just say boom boom boom, I just have to be and just come out. I have to take a long time in the bathroom or a good while. So me, and it's not like say I forgot about it. It was basically already baked, but you know, I just said I gotta leave it tonight until I finish baking. I just take it out and it would have been fully baked, right? Me accidentally put it on the high heat when I was trying to turn it down to low. Papa Jesus. But yeah, things happen in the kitchen. So this is showing the raw cut of how a kitchen really is. I will not tell you guys that oh everything was perfect. I will not do that. If something is off or something is not what I'm used to, yeah, I will tell you. Most of the food that I cook in where I'm at right now is it don't really taste like oh it tastes in Jamaica because of the different seasonings. But it still tastes good. The only thing that I really want to make my food better or to meet my full standard is spice. I bought pepper here at Safeway. It's a grocery store, supermarket. And the pepper is not hot enough. So I'm going to have to tell one of my friends who are coming up to get me some pepper or work with the pepper there and try to make something like blend up some different peppers to try to get my spice because I love spicy food. But guys, I'm not in a long talking. Next clip with me will be me tasting the cake. My angle. So guys, even though up on the top look kind of darkish, don't taste burn, don't burn whatsoever. Actually, it tastes better than the first time we did cook it. First time we did bake it, sorry. So, Plus, I add some grape to eat it with. Last time I eat it with ice cream. The ice cream never did help with the flavor. But now, it slap. It tastes really good. I'm basically done. It's really good. Misabellias. Sorry, guys. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for continuously supporting me on my journey. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.